Hello guys, here we meet again. Just think that after working the whole day, you're finally getting into sleep peacefully. And what happens if the person sleeping next to you snores loudly? Obviously, you will get distressed and also your peaceful sleep will end there. Then, what is the reason behind snoring? Why actually we snore? Snoring is a noisy sound which occurs during sleep. When we breathe, the air enters through the nose or mouth, passes through the throat and then to the lungs. But when we sleep, muscles and tissues in our throat relax and become fluffy. And this muscle near throat get wider and the air which is coming from nose and mouth causes this palate to vibrate and it leads to the snoring sound. Snoring might seem harmless, but it can cause the serious disease called obstructive sleep apnea. Did you know nearly 80% of people don't know that they are snoring? At last, thank you for watching.